Hello. What's he got? Oh, look at that big box there. And look at his little smiley face. He looks happy. Okay, so here it is, look. Little present. I bought this with Amazon vouchers that were given to me by friends and family back in March, and it's taken me all this time to decide what to buy. Well, I needed one of those, and I guess a lot of you out there have got one. It's the Weber Rotisserie, and yeah, I'm going to unbox it now. Cut down the sides with this sellotape. Come from Amazon, like most things do these days. Oh, looks like the instructions have fallen out, so that's a start. Take this box out of the way. Right, so what have we got in here then? Well, we've got this bit that obviously fits on top of the Weber that I've already got. And I think I'm actually opening this upside down, so I'll turn it the other way up. There we go, that's better. But quite sharp around the bottom, I must admit. So, well, that's obviously the piece that's going to hold the meat. It's quite substantial, I must admit. Very well made. There we go. More instructions. These are obviously the end spikes that go into the meat, and a few screws and bits and pieces. So we put that to one side. Here's the motor that we have to look after. Keep that out of the rain. Yep. And that's the extending ring. So we'll get this all set up, and then we'll decide what we're going to cook. So we put on this little end flange. This bit holds the electric motor. Tighten these bolts up, but we don't need them too tight. Just tight enough to hold the weight, really. They've got little washers on anyway. Just test this. Yeah, that fits on a tray.
Perfect. Just need a chicken or something to put on it now.
Here I have the ingredients for a rub. I've got a teaspoon of garlic powder. I've got half a teaspoon of black pepper, just over half a teaspoon of salt, and a really big teaspoon of paprika. And I'm going to mix these together, and I'm going to add some olive oil. Then we can rub this all over the chicken, all over both sides, legs, wings, getting all the little sneaky bits all in the crevices. Should be well tasty when it's all done. There we go, turn it over, get the other side. In with a spike, get that right the way through, put the other end in, lock it tight, and then we're off to the barbecue. Put the charcoal in, there we go, all hot, all ready to go, and on with the chicken. About an hour and a half, I think. It's yeah, about 200, that should do. This is an afterthought, a few potatoes put on there. They come out really well actually. Now to cut the chicken. Now look at that, doesn't that look succulent? So moist. And there's your finished meal. Hey, served up with some chopped vegetables, bit of salad there. Lovely. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.